Many people confuse with this lower chest fat with a serious hormonal disorder called gynecomastia. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about both the issues, so stay tuned. Gynecomastia is something which relates with hormonal issues. It starts with the development of breast tissue and depositing fat under your nipple. And the nipple part is so much sensitive to the pain. Whereas in lower chest fat, the fat is deposited over your lower chest region, which also includes the nipple and around your nipple. Lower chest fat happen mostly to teenagers due to puberty. So when your puberty starts to kick in, hairs grow out everywhere, your mustache, your beard, hairs grow out everywhere. You started to get taller, your bones getting deeper. In short, you are becoming from a boy to a man. So during this time, testosterone levels are at its peak. But don't forget that your body has to maintain the male hormone testosterone and the female hormone estrogen. So if one goes up too high, the other one will follow a little bit up. So in your teenage, when puberty starts to kick in, the testosterone levels are so high, so the estrogen levels are following up. So that increased estrogen lead to the deposition of fat in your lower chest area. But no worries, it will go away in your early 20s. But in case, if this is a very rare situation, but in case if it doesn't go away after the early 20s, it is mostly of three reasons. Number one, gynecomastia. It's a hormonal disorder. So I'll talk about what causes gynecomastia in a second. Just hang on for a bit. The number two reason is body fat. You are not exercising enough and you are eating more than what you actually have to burn. Too much calorie consumption, not exercising enough. But if you want to get rid of the body fat, start exercising, have proper nutrition, change your lifestyle. But you can't specifically target in around the chest area. Your genetic decides where your body fat starts to go up. But we Indians, in our genetics, I mostly saw people are depositing fat around stomach and in this lower chest area. And my number 3 point why we have lower chest fat is you don't have enough muscles in your chest. You don't have enough muscles in your body. So go to gym, start doing some exercise, lift some weights. If you can't go to gym, it is fine. I already made a video on home workout you can do at home without any equipment. I'll have the video link down in the description below. I already made for beginners also. Make sure you check that out after this one. So I'll quickly show you some exercises you can do at gym to develop some muscles in your chest. Coming to the real gynecomastia, it happens due to a lot of reasons. Number one is steroids. Number one, with bodybuilders, when they take steroids, they started to develop this lower chest fat, which is a serious issue. It happens mostly with bodybuilders who take steroids. You don't need to worry about it. Number two, alcohol abuse. Using too much alcohol, drinking too much alcohol, drinking every week. So whenever you consume alcohol, testosterone starts to reduce for 2-3 days after you drink. If you are doing on a weekly basis, your testosterone levels are a little bit lower than the normal people. And number three, andropause. It happens with 40 years to 60 years when men start to get old. It happens mostly with them. Because during this time, testosterone starts to drop, but estrogen remains the same. So if you are suffering from gynecomastia, the first thing you want to do is go to your doctor immediately. Go to a doctor immediately and figure out these issues. In early levels, you can get rid of it through supplements. But if it is severe, you have to remove it through surgery only. The first thing I would advise you to is go to a doctor and consult them what is really going on. But if you are still teenager and not reaching the early 20s, try to figure it out. Through nutrition, do some exercise. And one thing I can tell everyone, I can give advice to is have some multivitamins. It is embarrassing, so you hide them by style unless you figure out what is really going on. Wear darker colors. Don't wear thin fabrics. Try layering your clothes. I hope this helps. So that's it basically from me today. If you like this video and find helpful, make sure you like this video, comment down below what you think about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.